Welcome back to our channel.
My channel. I am Madison. It's my channel. I have my own channel. You have your own channel. And this is Rosalind. We're going to be finding baby birds. So there's baby birds. Okay, here's our kitten.
Oh, you was mean to it.
Okay, so this is our white cat. White kitten. It's just a red. Is that another kitten?
Where?
Shh, if you listen. That might be a bird. Birds sound like kittens.
He just does it so white. You don't even think about it. He's just like, that's a little butterfly.
Let's go. Hold on, wait. Well, see, look, we're hearing this meowing, and it sounds like a kitten, but I'm pretty sure it's a bird.
Aaliyah, come here. Hurry.
It's a purple. Well, don't kill it. Just let it go, okay? Here, open your... Aaliyah, open your hand and watch it fly away. Open your hand and let it fly away. You ready, guys? Let's watch this thing fly away. Here, hold your... Oh, there. I think it's hurt.
It's not hurt.
Okay.
What is bothering?
It can't. It's like hurt because...
On the wall and...
There you go. Okay, you guys. Let's go look around for that baby bird. So... No, there's no baby kitten. Birds sound like kittens. Aaliyah, come on. We're doing the video. I mean, Rosalind, come here. Come on. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's on the other side. Okay, come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's right here. Where'd it go? Oh, my God. Where's it at? Tell me where. Okay, tell me how close I am. Where? Come here, Aaliyah. Where is it at? Oh, I see it. Okay. Look, you guys, we're going to make another video because I have to use the bathroom real quick. Aaliyah, go back inside with this. We're going to come back out here to the baby bird, okay? Okay.
Guys, we're going on my channel right now.
Well, we're going to get it, you guys. We're going to find something to catch it with. So, come on. Okay, Aaliyah. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. We unpause it. Now, let's go get this baby bird. Liam, you want to get baby bird? Where's it at? Where'd it go again? Where'd it go? Okay, Liam found baby bird. Okay, Liam, we found a baby bird. Found a baby bird. Okay, tell me where to go. Oh, I see it. Ow. Okay, come here, Leah. I wonder if Liam could try to get this. Okay, guys, here it is. If you guys can see that, comment down below. I think you guys did see it. So, go get Liam. Say we found baby bird.
Liam!
Baby bird! Over here. Come over here, Liam. Other way. Liam, other way.
This side.
Run. Oh my God, he's peeing. We're gonna wait till he gets over here, you guys. Where is it at? Here's the baby bird. The baby bird's right here. Look, Liam.
I know, but if she's looking at y'all out the window, she's like, they are over there at my flowers now. That's very rude. Look at that kitten. I know, that's her kitten. I know. I think that's the meowing that we heard. Her side over here. Come on.
But I want to get Liam. We go through the bushes this way. Okay, so I think we should go through the bushes through this way to get the baby bird. Oh my God. We can't get it though. Oh God. Jessica, you want the cat? Hey guys.
You gotta stay here and see it tomorrow.
No, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Mama, I can't deal with it. He's holding like I hold him. I know it. Just right under his little belly. He's putting it in the water. Okay. Oh my God. Baby, you don't want a bath. All right. That must be your macaroni from another day. That's what Liam brought here yesterday. All right, let it down. Let it down. Its butt's wet now. He didn't have a spoon yesterday. He didn't.
Here you go, Wawa.
Let Liam hold it.
Here, take it. Go take it inside. Where's it at?
Want me to go get it?
Yeah. Okay, so let's watch Brave Rosalind over here. I'm on like a little scared cat over here. Just don't like. There she goes. Yeah, you guys, don't try this at home. And we're like underage to do this. She's like 6 years old. I'm 14 and she's 8 and I am 14. Remember? Sometimes she'll forget her age, so she'll say she's different age. I'm scared. I don't want you to get it though because I'm scared Dixie's gonna go over there. If it hops over there, Dixie's gonna get that one. Are you gonna try? Try again. These are kind of small.
You want me to go get your shoes?
No, but I'm kind of scared though. Like,
I won't let him. We can pick that board in front. Wait.
we've held the baby bird before though.
I'm going to pick that board up.
Okay, so look, basically, I'm gonna get this rake out. Get the rake and try to like scrape it over there to you. So here you go. Here's the rake. Here's the rake we're gonna be using. It's a weird rake. So here we go. Let's watch Brave Rosalind. Okay, go in there. Okay, be careful. Be careful with like doing it. Can you zoom in? What? Like, don't try this at home at all. Where'd it go? It's like, is it looking at you? What? No. I didn't have it on your bed. I don't know.